Hey, what's up? This is Sean Rampersad here with the Mortgage Group. Today I'm going to be talking to you about a topic that's on a lot of people's minds right now. Should I refinance my home? And I'm going to give you 13 reasons why you should refinance your home now. Number one, high car payments. Okay, so a lot of people refinance their homes to pay off their car. You've got a ton of equity in your home. Your interest rate might be 1.69% or whatever. You might be one of the lucky ones. So you could refinance that car loan that's at 11% into your mortgage at 1.5%, 2%, that type of thing, depending on what your rate is. So that's the number one reason. Number two, credit card debt and line of credit debt. Those debts can have interest rates as high as 30%. It's outrageous. So if you've acquired a lot of credit card debt or line of credit debt, please let us know so we can help you refinance that mortgage. Number three, Canada Revenue Agency debt. This can come on if you haven't been paying your taxes or if you're self-employed or something like that. You can pay that debt off by refinancing your property, okay? Number four, taking a course and you don't want to work. So if you're planning on a career change, going back to school, and you don't want to work, you could use the equity in your home to carry you over, okay? And it is a profitable thing. In the end, you'll have your course complete and then you'll have a little bit more debt on your mortgage, but we may be able to keep the mortgage payments very close to the same by extending the amortization period. So talk to me about that if you have questions. Your children's education. If you have kids that are going to the university, it can be damn expensive. If you don't want those kids to have student loans, you can refinance your home to build in the tuition cost into your mortgage at a very low interest rate. So that's another great reason why people refinance their properties. Life insurance policies. If you want to buy a whole life policy and buy it outright, you could refinance your home and do that. The benefit of that is that an insurance policy is not taxed when you are dying. So if you're doing estate planning and you could potentially get sick or you are sick already, by buying a life insurance policy with the equity in your home, you can ensure that no taxes are payable. Investing in the stock market. If you're a little bit of a risk taker and you are investing in the stock market or plan on investing, then you could use the equity of your home to invest. Essentially, you could use the equity in your home to make some money, okay? So that's another big benefit. Opening a business. A lot of people want to open up their own business, have that self-employed life, but it's expensive at first. So if you need startup money, you can use the equity in your home as startup money to start a business, and at a very low interest rate, of course. You want to lower your interest rate. So if you're one of the people that have a high interest rate, okay, 5, 6, 7, 12%, say you're with a private lender, and then you should refinance your home to a lower rate so that you can save money on interest, save money on your monthly payments, all of that stuff. So that's a huge reason to move ahead with refinancing. Down payment for a new house. If you're planning on building a house or buying a new house or a rental or buying a house for your kids, your mom, whatever it might be, access the money in your house by refinancing your current property. Divorce and breakup. We call this a spousal buyout. So when you're going through a divorce, most of the time the matrimonial home is split 50-50. So we can refinance your property up to 95% of the value of the property, so you could pay out the spouse that's not going to be living in your property. That's if you want to keep the house and obviously not sell the property. Medical bills is another big reason why people refinance their property. Medical bills can add up. The interest rate on medical bills is also high, very much like Canada Revenue Agency bills. So you're going to want to pay that out as soon as possible. That's about it for all of the reasons why you should refinance your house. If you like the video, can you please like and subscribe to the channel? It helps me come out with more content. My name is Sean Rampersad. I can be reached anytime at 780-278-4847 with any mortgage related question you might have. I am the easiest way to get approved for a mortgage in Canada. Thanks.